Welcome to the Oceanfront Builders YouTube channel, your trusted resource for home remodeling and construction advice. We are Oceanfront Builders, experts in transforming homes into dream spaces across Southern California. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical aspects of any remodeling or construction project: choosing the right contractor. Whether you're planning a kitchen remodel, building a new addition, or undertaking a full home renovation, the contractor you hire can make or break your project. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps to finding a reliable, skilled contractor who aligns with your vision and ensures a smooth, successful project. From vetting credentials to understanding contracts, we'll cover it all. Before you start searching for a contractor, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your project. This will not only help you find the right professional, but also set the tone for a successful collaboration. Outline your project scope. What do you want to achieve? Are you updating a single room, adding square footage, or reconfiguring your entire home? What's your budget? Establish a realistic budget range to guide discussions with contractors. What's your timeline? Determine your ideal start and end dates, keeping in mind that large projects may require months of planning and construction. Prepare a project description. Draft a simple project description to share with potential contractors. Include details like the size and scope of the remodel, any specific materials or features you want, and your design style preferences, such as modern, coastal, or traditional. This clarity will help contractors provide accurate estimates and assess whether they're the right fit for your project. Not all contractors are created equal, and finding the right one requires thorough research. Here's how to start. Gather recommendations. Ask friends and family. Personal recommendations from people you trust are often the most reliable. Check online reviews. Platforms like Google, Yelp, and Houzz offer insights from previous clients. Visit local directories. Websites like Angie's List or the Better Business Bureau can help you find reputable contractors in your area. Check credentials and licenses. Every contractor should be properly licensed, insured, and bonded. Verify the following. Licensing. Ensure the contractor holds a valid license for your state and type of project. Insurance. Ask for proof of liability insurance and workers' compensation to protect yourself from unforeseen issues. Certifications. Look for certifications from professional organizations like the National Association of Home Builders or the National Kitchen and Bath Association. Review portfolios. Examine the contractor's portfolio to see if their past work aligns with your vision. Look for projects similar in style or scope to yours, high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, and creative problem-solving in unique or challenging spaces. Once you've narrowed down your list of potential contractors, it's time to meet them in person or via video call. Interviews are crucial for assessing their professionalism, expertise, and compatibility with your vision. Key questions to ask. Experience and expertise. How long have you been in business? Have you completed similar projects? Availability. When can you start and how long do you expect the project to take? Team and subcontractors. Who will be working on my project? Do you use subcontractors, and if so, how are they vetted? References. Can you provide contact information for recent clients? Assess communication and transparency. Pay attention to how the contractor communicates. Are they clear and concise in answering your questions? Do they seem organized and professional? Are they open to discussing challenges and solutions? After interviewing contractors, you'll receive estimates for your project. Comparing these estimates isn't just about choosing the lowest price, it's about understanding the value and details behind each proposal. Evaluate estimates. Look for clarity and transparency. Is the estimate itemized? It should include costs for materials, labor, permits, and any subcontractors. Are allowances reasonable? Avoid vague terms like "to be determined," which can lead to unexpected costs. Are timelines realistic? Make sure the proposed schedule aligns with your expectations. Review the contract thoroughly. Once you've chosen a contractor, they'll provide a contract. This document is essential for protecting both parties. Ensure it includes a detailed project description and timeline, payment terms and a schedule of deposits, a list of materials, brands, and specifications, clauses for handling unexpected changes or delays, a warranty for the work completed. While most contractors are reputable, it's important to watch for red flags that could indicate potential problems. Common warning signs: lack of licensing or insurance, never work with an unlicensed or uninsured contractor. Unrealistic estimates. If a bid seems too good to be true, it probably is. Poor communication. Delayed responses or vague answers are signs of unprofessionalism. High-pressure tactics. Avoid contractors who push you to make decisions quickly or demand large upfront payments. No references or portfolio. A reputable contractor should have a track record of satisfied clients and successful projects. Choosing the right contractor is one of the most important steps in any remodeling project. By doing your research, asking the right questions, and trusting your instincts, you can find a professional who will bring your vision to life with skill and care. At Oceanfront Builders, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional craftsmanship, clear communication, and a seamless remodeling experience. If you're ready to start your project, visit us at oceanfront.builders or call 888-336-8586 to schedule a consultation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone planning a remodel. Together, let's create the home of your dreams. Closing visuals. The Oceanfront Builders logo fades in with the tagline, "Transforming homes, enhancing lives."